Stay active, keep moving. They underline those words in neon highlighter yellow on a wrinkled printout tape to the fridge door. They walk laps at lunch, counted stairs instead of steps, sweat darkening the brim of an old ball cap, smiling for the camera after every 5K. They did everything right, so the story goes. Followed every line the handbook chose, but the legs don't bargain, they just let go. Not suddenly, not in a tragic show. Quietly, the legs let go. They're stretched in the hallway while the coffee drips slow. Learn the names of every muscle like neighbors on the same orange street. One day the curb felt higher, the grocery bags felt mean. They laughed it off, called it aging, but the stairs started answering back. They did everything right, so the story goes. Followed every line the handbook shows, but the legs don't bargain, they just let go. Not suddenly, not in a tragic show. Quietly, the legs let go. No sirens, no headlines, just a wobble in the parking lot. Just a hand on every railing now, just a chair pulled closer to the bed. They did everything right, so the story goes. Followed every line the handbook chose. You can change the promise you were sold till your careful plans turn cold. And still, the legs don't bargain, they just let go. Not suddenly, not in a tragic show. Quietly, the legs let go.